Hi, my name is Jason Lindenmuth with Geoprobe and DrillMax Service. Today we're going to demonstrate adjusting the swivel packing on a DM250 top head. Occasionally while drilling you will need to adjust your swivel packing. As it wears it will start to leak, usually from these weep holes here and here. To do this you will need this wrench, which can be purchased at Geoprobe and DrillMax. This end has a wrench in it to loosen up the half sets. This end will be to adjust the packing. First we'll loosen these bolts. And once you have the half sets loose, that will allow this packing nut to pivot on the water pipe. We simply just put the wrench on there and tighten it up. Tighten the nut just until the leak stops. Over tightening the nut can cause excessive wear. Packing nut is designed with a stop to prevent damage. When the nut hits the stop, it's time to replace the packing. See DrillMax website for DM250 swivel packing replacement video. Tighten it to where you can get to the bolts to retighten them down on your half sets, and then we just tighten them up. After this, if it's still leaking, just repeat the process and tighten some more. Once you have those tight, you're ready to go back to drilling. If you have any questions with this process or any other service needs on a DM250, please contact Geoprobe and DrillMax Service.